Hello everyone, I'm Lata Verigoda. Hope you all are doing great and welcome to my channel and make sure subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and you can easily get all notification of my channel which I upload in future either. Well, today I want to introduce you all very something important and curious topic. It's totally about confidence. Yes, I say confidence is too much important. We can't even ever survive in our life without having a single rupee of confidence with ourselves. Yes, confidence is too much needed in everyone's life. As I said, we are totally zero without having self confidence and self love. Well, whenever we feel low, depressed, and overwhelmed about ourselves, that time need a very good confidence to push up ourselves and take a step ahead in our life. So that confidence be too much. Whereas we prefer to have a confidence, I have literally came across one message on social media. That message really made my day, and it's been favorite for me since the time I have heard this message. I make sure I didn't ever receive this message when in my past life. As I said, it is one of my favorite message for the purpose of in regarding confidence. Well, you know, once upon a time, one man planted fern and bamboo seed. The man cared them really well and took care them really so hyped, means so excitedly. And by the time he was so much delighted and excited to see the result. And the next day he went agriculture land and saw both result, but the planted fern was sprouted so nicely, and it has grown so excellently, and as fast as it's grown from the earth, and it's covered entire the earth with its entire green light color. But unfortunately the man disappointed when he saw nothing came from the bamboo. You guess that what did the man do when he saw? You know that the man disappointed, and he was consistent to taking care of the bamboo. In the second year, he again saw the result of bamboo still did not come from the bamboo, whereas fern was grown so nicely and so excellently. To seeing fern growing, it was like vibrant and luxuriant and abundant. We can't even imagine the growth of a fern like that way. It has grown as fast asly and as so now as so nicely as. But the man in the second year also did not get any result by the bamboo. But the man, what did he do? He just perceived his goal, and he just believed in himself, had good confidence with himself. In third year, he again pursued his goal and watered it and cared it and gave proper mm, proper sunlight for it, but didn't ever give up towards bamboo in third year also. In the fifth year, again he would not ever give up towards bamboo. Again he had been continued saying the thing that what had he been doing since the very first time he planted the bamboo seed. Unfortunately, And accidentally, he also didn't get any kind of result in the fourth year as well from the bamboo, but insignificantly compared to bamboo, sorry, fern, bamboo result was totally zero. You just imagine that man patience, where has he got totally zero result from the bamboo totally within 4 years. He was just consistent towards his goal and he reached for the fifth year and he has gone silently on the agriculture grant and he just stood up in front of the bamboo and he felt so much enthusiasm and endowed about himself whenever he saw a little teeny sprout, whereas it's been emerging from the earth ground. Then there are no words just explain his feelings and explain his happiness. Words can't enough to explain his happiness, whereas he saw the tiny sprout whereas emerged from the earth. He just felt happy and he just imagined with himself and from that time to 6 months just the bamboo has grown up like 100 feet tall. You know the bamboo has grown up for 6 months like 100 feet. You just imagine within 6 months is that any tree or anything can possible to grown up like 100 feet? No, never ever possible. He that the man just imagined and felt happy and he was just endured with himself and felt so much happy regarding bamboo and he just imagined with himself those 4 to 5 years he had spent for the caring bamboo totally it was for its roots under the ground. Yes, whatever the water gave I totally for its roots to grown so nicely like 100 feet tall, so that the man imagined with himself and felt. I say we all must be like a bamboo, and for the man, whenever our goal does not come true, must be consistent and perseverant towards our goal. Than that, must have a good confidence. We feel no depression, must pick up ourselves and take a step ahead and go forward for that, like the bamboo. Where has bamboo taken 5 years to grown up like 100 feet? One or another day, our dream will come true. We have patience. We must do the things for our own potential, not for anyone else's potential.